What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do an under the leg toss. This is what the move looks like. Now let's get into it. A prerequisite that you're going to want to know for this move is a forwards vertical 8. The first step to this move is knowing your stance. Personally, I like to be at about a 45-degree angle with my feet about 1.5 feet apart. You can also face forward, put one leg in front, one leg behind, so you have space right here to toss the star. You can also face the other side, have your feet side by side, and toss behind you. Once you find the stance that's most comfortable for you, the next part of this move is getting to know the momentum that you need to swing the star underneath your legs. For that, I'm going to be teaching you a tip that the infamous Crop Dustin taught me. So first, put the star on your shoulder, flex your arm, touch your chest, grab the star, and swing down. This tool is really helpful to understand the beat count that you need to swing the star underneath your legs. Practice this quite a few times until you feel comfortable, and then we can move on to the next step. In order to properly time the star so that it can fluidly go underneath your legs, you want to be aware of where the star is in space. So ideally, you'll start in the forwards vertical 8. You'll swing down and up. So down and up. Down, up. And the last part of this move is to get rid of the up and exchange it for a toss. So instead of not releasing, you'll be releasing. Down, toss. Personally, I like to raise my arm so that my hand is ready to catch the star while I'm bending down. Now let's put it all together. Get into your stance, forwards vertical 8, down, toss, catch. And that is how you do an under the leg toss. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Adios.